please. Yay, we're live. It is Beck Scrum. It's Sam and Michael. Michael, how are things going with you?
Good. So I got Python 3.6 installed on Windows
Oh, yeah.
with assorted libraries,
Mhm.
such as, NumPy and all that good stuff. And keep having to resort to using like pre-compiled wheels
Oh, yeah.
from this one university
Mm.
on Windows because I went down this rabbit hole last night where I basically a lot of libraries end up using, they all depend on like these linear algebra libraries that were written in the 80s in Fortran.
Mm-hmm.
So even after you get rid of the C errors,
Right.
then it's like, oh, you need Fortran. So then I install Fortran.
Uh-huh.
And then it blows up and it's like some shit. I basically got to the point where Fortran was compiling but failing to link.
Hmm.
So, and then I found out that it was something like with mangling or something with how C mangled the names versus how Fortran mangled the names.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, this is just
Ridiculous.
because I was like installing lib. I was using lib files and all this crap, and I've never gotten past the Fortran issue.
Okay.
But
Okay.
theoretically, if I were to, I would
Right.
have
So
compiled my own.
this is for installing Python 3 and associated libraries on Windows, and you're basically up to your elbows in yak shaving.
Right, but I kind of enjoyed it last night.
Yeah.
I shaved yaks for 3 hours.
Yeah, you made progress. It's good. It's good. Yeah, I just installed Python 3 on my system. So the block, you are kind of slightly blocked by these Fortran errors then?
Well, I ended up basically using somebody like some university in California.
Mm-hmm.
Basically pre-compiled all this stuff with Intel MLK and stuff.
Okay.
Which they just release as like binary versions because I think they own Intel's, like they own some license for Intel's proprietary stuff. So I guess they get the right to distribute it, and they're just like giving it away after they compiled it.
So that's unblocked. So you're not blocked.
So it's kind of unblocked.
You've got a strategy that you're going to try.
It's unblocked. It works. It's just that not being able to assemble the whole stack also means that it could be like basically everything that I hear is basically just use Conda.
Okay.
Just as proprietary. It's like from Canopy.
Okay. That has the whole stack ready to go for you rather than building it all from scratch. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, good luck with that last step. It'll be interesting. I mean, if you're the one, if other people can't do it, maybe you'll have a good blog post that you can write about the install process. Anything else to report?
No, I was just messing around. So the other, I wanted to get Theano running also potentially on my Windows machine because Theano can basically do deep learning if you have the drivers installed for Kata, so it can use your video card. And my video card on Windows is like a monster. It's like a 1080 Ti. So it could do a lot of like deep learning things.
Cool.
But
yeah, well, I'll just stop you there since we're doing Scrum and its brief reports, but it does sound all very interesting. Let's go on to Federico. Hey, Federico, how are things going with you?
Hey, guys. And yeah, that is very interesting stuff, Michael. We should get into that later.
Data mining channel for anybody who wants to hear more. Go on, Federico.
Yeah. But I don't have a whole lot to report. We had the React mob, which went really well. I guess I could show you my screen real quick for that error that on the control room thing.
Oh, okay. Well, I totally believe you. Yeah, I've seen it before. Yeah, I mean, I think the Google API Hangout app stuff. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and so I'm here for the Website 1 planning meeting coming up shortly, and the AV community meeting coming up at 16:45 UTC.
Yep. 2 more exciting meetings coming up. I'll do me. I have been working on the AV monthly reports. I was in the React mob, which was fun, and yeah, we're almost at we're coming up towards the end of the Udemy course, although there's still much more fun stuff going on in there. Yeah, I don't think I'm blocked by anything, just trying to get everything done. Looking forward to those meetings. Go on, Federico.
I'm sorry, I just forgot one more thing. It just came to mind real quickly. I proposed to Robert Schaefer of the RunFunk project if we could add him to the upcoming newsletter just to promote his project a little more.
Totally.
So I kind of took it upon myself. I hope that's okay.
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. I mean, that reminds me of one thing I did manage to do today was get Lara to give us a quote on doing search engine optimization for the NHS HLP wiki, and I set up the Google Search Console for that, but that's all. By the by, we've also got a first-time person joining for one of our scrums. It's Jacob. Hey, Jacob, how are you doing?
Hey, how are y'all?
Hey. Hi, Jacob.
I'm brand new. I found out about this less than 24 hours ago, but yeah, I'm from Kentucky in the United States, and I'm just looking to get involved because this looks like some interesting projects.
Cool, be great to have you with us, Jacob. Yeah, greetings from London. I think Federico, whereabouts are you based?
Kansas.
And Michael's near Philadelphia, I think. Yeah. Jacob, welcome to the community. So great. I see you've dived straight in with the Wiki EDU. We've got our new shared Slack thing that connects to the Wiki EDU Slack instance. Anything blocking you at the moment?
Not really. I got the dev environment set up, and I've just been diving into the first ticket. Ask me again in half an hour, or I'll let folks know.
Sure. Yeah, great stuff. And well, I think that's our Scrum. We're done there. We're all checked in. Jacob, we got a little bit of time. If you have any questions about anything else broader in Agile Ventures, how it works, what these things are, then we're all ears.
Yeah, no, I probably will, and I'll put them in the Slack. But I think I'm just getting started. So
yeah. That's good. I'll just underline the Martin Fowler and Ken Beck Scrum are basically kind of scrums of scrums, and anybody can come in and talk about any project or any block on, and just connect up. And yeah, it's all good.
Okay, good. Great.
Nice one. Okay, well, I think we'll wrap that up. I'm gonna step away for a minute, and what's happening? Yeah, the Slack bot is telling us urgently that the Website 1 meeting is coming up. Do paste any everybody like tickets that you'd like to get voted on into that channel, and we'll make sure that they get voted on, and when the next round of Website 1 development is all under control. Thanks, Jacob was reporting actually in the startup channel how the stale data issue that I hope ultimately we will fix with an upgrade to Rails 5 and WebSockets. But yeah, more of that in the Website 1 meeting. All right. Thanks, everyone.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.